Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to redirect a page on your WordPress website using a simple plugin. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you control everything on your website. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side menu. Hover over the Plugins option and click on Add New. Now, in the search bar on the top right, type in Redirection. Press Enter. You'll see a list of plugins. Look for the one simply called Redirection. It should have good ratings and millions of active installations. Click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click that. Once the plugin is active, go to the Tools section in the left-hand menu and click on Redirection. The first time you use it, the plugin might ask you to set up a few things. Just follow the prompts and click Continue Setup until you reach the end. Then click Finish Setup. Now you're ready to create a redirect. Inside the redirection dashboard, you'll see a form. In the source URL field, enter the URL of the page you want to redirect from. In the target URL field, enter the URL where you want visitors to be sent. Click the Start Setup button. That's it. You've just created a redirect. Thanks for watching.